Chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. Okay guys, it's a Friday and I'm working from home today for a good reason. Shipshape Bedding have sent out our upholstery. Ooh, so we've been waiting quite a while. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a while. No upholstery. So if you've not seen the previous videos, our upholstery arrived. Some of it was damaged from DX deliveries. So yeah, they dragged it across the yard and scraped through all the new upholstery. Through part of it, and there was a couple of errors that were made in the design, so they've all hopefully been rectified. Now they've sent it out with DX again, so you know I could be waiting here all day for nothing. Hopefully it's not damaged when it arrives, but we'll find out soon. So yeah, that's great. So we got that coming. We've got a new bimini, so that's going to be put up this weekend as well. So this, you can see that going up on the fly bridge. So we're going to have to work out how to fit that. All new upholstery is going to go down here and at the top. We were going to be taking the boat out tomorrow, giving it a bit of a run, but the weather's looking crap, windy again. So it wasn't going to be. So we were hoping to get out and test if this gearbox issue is sorted and see where we're at with the vibration. Not going to happen tomorrow unless this wind, probably hear it in the background, as it drops off massively. Sunday. Possibly we can take it out, but it's going to be late in the day. I've got enough going on with trying to fit bimini, and with the new upholstery I've got to fit all new poppers to pop it all down. So yeah, a bit going on this weekend, so stick around, see what we get up to, see how this all turns out. Fingers crossed the upholstery looks good. I'm sure it will, so I've got faith. Just haven't got any faith in DX Deliveries bloody delivering it. Hey, they're still in business, beyond me. There we go. So if you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button because it really does help us, and the like and hype, and the bird will be telling you to hype it, and yeah, stick around, we'll see how it looks. Alright. Right, here it is, no damage on the boxes this time. So hopefully it's alright. Right, we'll see when we get it back and unload it. Okay. One guy in the zone, dragging it out of the van. Alright, we're going to unpack it because the shape doesn't look like the shape it used to look like with the corner section. So we was going to wait for the bird to come back, but she will have to watch the video, won't she? She'll have to subscribe on YouTube. Right, let's get a knife.
Oh! Aha!
Grey on the back. Right. They're doing nothing to the bottom bit, that's that top bit. That looks like the fibre bit. Grey on the back. So what line's that?
There we go. That's that one.
Cool. So there should be an L-shaped bit in here.
Should be.
Base top.
Yeah, that one there.
Oh yeah, that didn't change. It was a backrest. But that they haven't changed.
They just needed them to line them up today.
Yeah. Well, they were going to change them. I said no.
That one was the one that
And line stitched it.
the one diamond stitch before.
No.
Oh, and the back diamond stitch.
Yeah.
Ah, right, so that changed it.
Yeah, they have changed those.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is in place of this.
Right.
Because that was going over the radar arch and it wasn't right.
Yeah.
So now it's going up to the side of the radar arch. Diamond stitch, curved in.
Right.
It should line up with you. All good. Hopefully, Keith.
So far.
Should line up with that.
Yeah.
Right, okay, all looks okay. We'll put the stuff up on the flybridge later when the bird gets back and give it a proper check. But yeah, I think it looks right. Right, stick around. See you later. Alright guys, it's Saturday afternoon. We're just going to get the upholstery up on the flybridge. So before that, because we didn't have the covers to cover these ones over, I've had to protect them for now. So hopefully the new covers fit. And we'll get a new seating up here. You have to excuse my hay fever. I'm dying today. There's the bird. You ready, bird?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's pass me that. I'll put this up so you can see what's going on. Okay, let's go. Hopefully it all fits. Loving that bird? Feet. Gosh,
they're not on there, look. They're
fucking hopeless, isn't she?
They're off.
Alright, here we are. That looks better, doesn't it? The corner's a tiny bit out of the corner, but looks better.
This corner, right?
That looks better. What do you think, guys? Leave us a comment below. Yeah. There we are, and obviously these flip back. This is when we're driving. Wonderful. Yeah, that's nice. That brightens the place up. Love it. Loving it, bird?
Oh yeah, it's amazing. You know what this is for you?
What?
Well, for Ben, not for you guys. I'm pointing.
What?
More cleaning.
More cleaning?
Yeah, that upholstery.
Yeah.
Cleaning the seats.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I love it.
Let's have a test of the backrest. Right. Oh, look at that. That's comfy, isn't
It is very comfy.
it? Yes.
Just need the cushions up in now. Get some
Worth
cushions.
the wait. It was worth the
I
wait.
think we're going to sit up here now, aren't we?
That converts over. So I'll test the covers now to see if they fit over.
I mean, even though this bit is like higher, it's still comfy sat here. It's still quite comfy.
Yeah, our seats are different levels, aren't they?
Yeah, they're different levels, but it's still comfy.
So they still sent us a piece that we had originally, which came all the way across here, but it stuck out and it wasn't so good. So I will get this covered with some leather and piping at some point, and then that is on there. Yeah. Well pleased. So right, well done, ship shape bedding. It came through for us. We knew you would, and definitely recommend those guys. Yeah, a couple of little bits and bobs, but they sorted it all out.
They did, didn't they? Yeah.
And they've been really good about it. Yeah, we did go diamond stitch on the back as well as the base, so that looks really good. Yeah, definitely recommend ship shape bedding. Definitely Jordan really good and patient, and Catherine really helpful, so thank you guys, we appreciate it. Thanks for going the extra mile basically and doing those extra bits and getting it all right in the end. So we're really happy, really pleased with that, and tomorrow we're going to put up our bimini.
Yeah, we've got bimini.
Right, hopefully my fever will go and you can understand what I'm saying a bit more.
Stop being nasally.
Yeah. Right, so catch you in a bit. We're going to get some buenos on the go and
enjoy this season.
Get the bimini up tomorrow, and that'll transform the look of the boat as well. Alright, birdie.
Absolutely, yeah. Definitely.
See you in a bit.
Look forward to that.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
And hype.
I can't remember if I showed you the bottom bits. They're all unwrapped and like. So yeah, if you remember before, that piping was a bit over there. So I lined it all up, diamond stitched that back, and added the grey to his top section, which wasn't there before. It was just that, which is no good because you can't clean it. So yeah, that's all good. And that side, lovely. So yeah, we haven't got the curvy curves that I wanted, but I'm happy with that. And that's that extra piece from up on a fly bridge, so they sent that back to be used as a spare piece. Cool. Alright guys, tomorrow we'll work out how to fit that and drill some more holes in the boat. Alright.